up people, welcome to another vlog. So this time I am reviewing Suzuki Gixxer SF250 in matte color, and if any of you is interested in buying any new Suzuki bikes, they can directly visit bikes or scooters, they can directly visit Vahini Suzuki. I will mention the address in the description as well as the contact number. You can book a test drive if you want, and without taking much time, let's go. So yes, this is Suzuki Gixxer SF250 matte black edition. So coming to the front profile of this bike, you will get LED headlamps. There is no LED DRL. उसके ऊपर आपको एक नंबर प्लेट के लिए पर्टिकुलर स्पेस मिलेगी and two side mirrors. Talking about the front suspension of the bike, you will get telescopic fork in the front, dual channel ABS, dual disc brake in front tire as well as in the rear tire. The front disc brake size is 300 mm of disc brake. The front tire size is 110 by 70 or 17 inches of alloy wheels, which has tubeless tire as well. There is no DRL, LED DRL option is given in this bike. As well as if we are talking about the turn indicators of the bike, these are also the normal turn indicators, which are bulb turn indicators. Here it is written 250 and Gixxer SF in capital bold letters. 250 written SOCS just underneath. Coming to the engine specification, it have 249cc of single cylinder 4-stroke engine, which is oil cooled engine, which generates 26.13 bhp of power and 22.2 Newton meter of torque. So now talking about the side profile of the bike, it have 2010 mm of length, 740 mm of total width and 1135 mm of height. The seat height of this bike is 800 mm. Coming to the rear profile of the bike, you will get dual exhaust. Here you will get monoshock suspension. The rear tire size is 150 by 60 or 17 inches of alloy wheels, again which are tubeless tire as well. Here you will get some chrome finishing on the rear exhaust. So this is the silencer, sorry, this is the rear suspension, rear LED tail light, grab rails. So here you will get a split seat because this is 250 obviously, and this is a racing kind of bike. So you will get a split seat, and these are the turn indicators, which are normal bulb turn indicators. This is the left space where you can also add as accessories, just like the footrest. So coming to the ground clearance, it has 165 mm of ground clearance, 161 kg of total curb weight, and it have diamond chassis frame. Okay, so electric start this bike have, LED headlamps, LED tail lights and twin exhaust. These are some advantages of this bike, we can say at some points. So let me tell you about the front fuel tank capacity. It have 12 liter fuel tank capacity, and it around 420 kilometers of range, which may be increase or decrease as well, depends on the riding, how you are riding the bike. It have the mileage of 35 kilometers per liter as well. It depends on the way you are driving the bike or you are riding the bike. So this is the seat, split seat. It does not have a single seat option in this bike. So talking about the front cluster, let me just turn on the ignition of the bike first, then we will talk about the cluster. Okay, so this is the handle. So let's talk about these are the side mirrors. On the left you will get the buttons for the indicators, for the beam, for horn, and on the right you will get the button for kill switch and the button to start the bike. Okay, so now let's turn on the ignition and let's talk about the instrument cluster. Okay, so it have all instrument cluster digital. You will get side stand warning, ABS, neutral indicator, 2 trip meters and some more things like this. So this is all about this bike. Let me show you the key of the bike, how it look like. So these are the keys of the bike. So guys, if you like this video, don't forget to subscribe my channel for such reviewing videos and for vlogs. Thank you so much for watching this video.